If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain black socks into these glamorous black and gold and bling socks, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some patches, some pearls, some rhinestones, and some brooches to these socks. The person that wanted these socks, they requested a black sock, and they also wanted gold decor. So I picked out the gold that I have. I have these patches available on my website. I call them gold, but when you look at them, they, especially next to other gold accessories, they actually look more like a bronze color. But I have some of these cute little pearls in the background. Well, the safety pins with the pearls on them, those came from Temu and Shein. And then that really big bow, that glittery bow, I made that with a mold, UV resin mold that I purchased from Temu. So I'm using E6000 glue to apply the patches, and then to make them kind of like stay in place, I just added the rubber bands. So I want those to stay on for at least a day so it can fully dry and be nice and flat. Because you definitely don't want your patches to just be kind of like loose and not flat all the way down on the sock. So I'm basically just going to continue to add on the pearls, the brooches, and everything that I have. I do have these brooches available on my website if you're interested. I have different sets available. myroyalradiance.com. myroyalradiance.com. So I just like to add my E6000 glue, and just be careful to just make your dots and not kind of drag the glue because it'll make a mess on the socks. When I first started making junk socks and slouch socks, I was just using all brooches. I really like how it looks being able to add the larger size pearls in between or the bigger size gems. For one, E6000 is very good when it comes to adhering jewels, pearls, things of that nature, because they don't come off. It's pretty hard for it to come off, and it just gives the sock a fuller look. I just like a fuller look, but it definitely depends on what type of look you're going for. You could either do all pearls. I did a previous video showing how it looks with pearls only on a sock. It was still very pretty. But I think with the patches, the pearls, and the brooches, it just gives it a very nice full junk look. Okay, so I'm almost finished just adding the final touches, and these really cute safety pins with the big pearls, you can get those on Temu and Shein. I think I got some from both websites, and they're pretty affordable. You get a decent amount. I think you get about 20 of them for about $7. I'm almost done. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these socks. I think they look very full. They're super cute. I would just like for the golds to kind of be more on the same page, but I do like these socks. I love the bling on them. I love the patches. I like black and gold. Black and gold is really cute to me, and so is black and silver. I really do like these brooches on the sides, these other new rhinestones that I have. Then I also have some brooches that I made myself with the pearls and the chunkier bling. I do have a bling kit available on my website as well. And I really do like these bows. These Temu molds that I got with this pretty glitter in it, I really like that. They are kind of solid and heavy, but I don't feel like it's too heavy for the sock, but it just looks so dainty and cute back there. I like that. This is how it looks directly from the back. Very cute. And of course, you can repurpose these bows, take them off your socks if you're done with them, add them to a jacket or add them to a purse or just something else. I think these turned out super cute. Hope you did find this video helpful. Share it on Facebook. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. And thanks you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.